Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Kitchen. Now today we're going to do a menu item at Taco Bell that's been brought back. Now I did a video a year ago on this and I did the original from the 70s and 80s. It's the Enchirto because the original one had black olives on it. So today we're going to make a new version of this, of what Taco Bell does today, and we are going to make this absolutely delicious. So if you want to make this anytime, you can. Now, the ingredients that you will need are hamburger of your choice. I'm using ground sirloin. Onion is key to this because that's what makes the enchilada. So you will definitely need some onion. Refried beans, taco seasoning mix, cheddar cheese of your choice, and also enchilada sauce. Now you can make your own or you can use the can like we are. Now, you also have to have some soft tortillas. So definitely these ingredients to make the new Enchirto at Taco Bell. And it's going to be absolutely delicious, you guys. So let's get this cooking. Now what I've done is I put my meat into the pan. So we're going to fry this on up. And in the back I'm going to open up the enchilada sauce and we're going to put that onto the stove to heat it up. We have our can of enchilada sauce poured into a pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on a back iron and just going to heat it up. We're going to take our refried beans and use any refried bean of your choice. I'm going to put this into a pan and we're going to heat this up on the stove. What I've done is I've added our taco seasoning mix right there. I'm just going to add a little bit of water and then we're going to mix this up. We have our refried beans done. What I've done is I've grated our cheese. So our cheese is done. What I've done is I've got a couple of black little trays here, and we're going to put our enchiladas in those. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this up like this, and then you're going to take your plate, whatever you're going to put it in, and you want to flip this over. You want it to go this way. And see how I have it in here like this? We're going to put this in like that. Now we're going to put the enchilada sauce on, and now comes the cheese, and we're going to melt it. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's the enchilada sauce. Now you're going to take your cheese, and you can use, like I said, whatever cheese you like. Okay, like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this into the microwave, and you're going to melt that cheese down. How good that is. That is perfect, you guys. Now I'm doing bombs, so I'm just going to fold this up and turn it over like that. Once you get everything done, put it in your little pan or your plate. Make sure you just turn it over like this. Okay. Now we're going to put our enchilada sauce on. Now you guys, look at that. Look how good that is. Now that's mine. I want to show you guys how good this is. Look at this. I wanted to show you guys, look how good this is. Look at the enchilada sauce. Look at that.
Mine's tasty, Dina.
This is so good. Now this is the new way that they make it, just with the enchilada sauce and the cheese. But like I said, you have to have that onion when you go to make this, and that's key here. I know a lot of people may not like onions, but omit that if you don't. But the key thing for an enchilada is the onions. That's what makes it. But anyways, I want to thank everyone for watching our enchilada recreation today of, they brought it back. Taco Bell brought it back again. So anyways, I wanted to do the new school way, the new way that they do it. I'm going to show you guys, make sure that you have some Taco Bell sauce with this. Now I have the mild and I do like the hot. Now I haven't had the fire. Now they do have salsa verde, so you can use any type of Taco Bell sauce with this. I want to say a couple notes here, you guys, on this. There's a couple notes that I want to make. Now I remember the enchilada sauce from way back when, and this is very similar to the original. It tastes very good. Is the La Victoria red enchilada sauce, It's got a good taste to it, so I recommend that. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to do something a little bit different. A note on this is when you guys take your tortilla, I don't want you to heat it up in the microwave. See that? I don't want you to heat it up in the microwave. I want you to put your beans, your meat, and your onions in this, and then roll it up like that, and then put it into your plate or tray, whatever you're going to use this, put your stuff in, and I want you to heat it up that way, because if you double heat this tortilla, it will become so hard, it will be hard to pull apart. I want to thank everyone for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. And if you're watching this for the first time, Mom and I would love to have you as part of our YouTube channel. Please click that subscribe button. We do appreciate it so much. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Definitely make one of these, you guys. You guys will love the Taco Bell Enchirto is back. So we're just doing a copycat version of this, but it is so good. And you can have this any time of the year that you want. Take care, you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.